Hello guys, today we're gonna do a mystery unboxing with Spaghetti and Cricket. Is that AC? Alright.
Cricket! No!
So hold on, chat. Wait. Okay, hold on. Let's move these out of the camera. Okay. So everybody grab one box. Everyone grab one box. Okay, one. Alright guys, ready guys? 3. Actually, here. Here, you're first.
Your box.
Oh, you got a skull. You got a skull. Alright. You next.
It's golden!
Oh, we got ammo.
It's golden! It's golden! I just realized it's golden! Stop! Okay.
Alright guys,
What'd you get?
next. Oh, I got
No! Whoa! Oh! Alright, let me go.
Everybody,
Alright,
alright.
let me smash this on your head. Sit. Oh, I'm green! I'm green!
Joke. Okay. Alright, how much for next? Alright. That's okay. Okay. Me next. Oh, I got a lightsaber. No, wait. Let me see that one. Here, the final one, all of us have to open together.
Wait, shoot it open!
Oh, the golden thing. Here, show the camera. Alright, guys, so these are all of our rewards, guys.